Nditimurano ya guthimana hinya gatagati ga Kenya Kwanza na Azimio yerekeirio mbunge-ini ya kĩbũrũri wona marĩtwa ma amemba mugwanja kũnyabara kũmbwo gwa kamĩtĩ ya ithurano na mĩhaka matwarwo mbunge-ini ĩno nĩguo mahĩtũkio kana mareganwo namo. Muthenya wa ira president ni aramurire Evans Misati, Benson Ngogi, Charity Kisotu, Novin Satieno, Bedwer Sugut, Nelson Makanda na Fatuma Saman kamĩtĩ-ini ĩrĩa hegũtabarĩra kwamurwo kwa muikariri giti mwerũ wa IEBC na makamicina kamĩtĩ-ini ĩno nona wa bunge Azimio la umoja arĩa makoretwo makihinyĩrĩria gũkuruhanio mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩno makĩhĩta kwaga kũhĩtũkia marĩtwa maya.
Whatever the president has done is not in good faith. IEBC is like a referee of a match. While choosing a referee, all the players' interests need to be incorporated for the outcome to be acceptable across the board. Therefore, we are saying Kenya is one country, and then there was no need to rush things. And we have started getting worried why everything is being hastened. Yet we have 5 years to do things.
President amefuata sheria. Kulingana na ile IEBC tumetoka kwa yenyewe saa hizi. Tumeona challenges zile tunafaa kuangalia na kutatua. Na kitu ya kwanza tulibadilisha sheria, tukaongeza team ambayo iko more diverse. Ndio tusipate watu ambao wanaegemea upande mmoja ya kisiasa. Lakini hiyo inauma wanaazimio sana, kwa sababu wangetaka kuwa favored.
Medekitha-ini ma ngwatanĩro ya Azimio kũmbwo gwa kamĩtĩ njerũ ya IEBC gũbatie gũkuruhania ngwatanĩro cieri na wĩigananu mũtaratara ũrĩa maugĩte nĩ ũkũnina nganja cia wĩhokeku kwaga ũguo na gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027 kĩage gũkinyanĩra.
They started by ensuring that the 4 people who are so-called the Cherera 4 were victimized. They were removed, hounded out of office, and yesterday you saw a ruling of the tribunal saying that they found the lady who was the commissioner guilty. Now, which is the way forward? Our way forward is that we must call upon the people. I have said it before myself, if we cannot have an election and an electoral process that the people's sovereign will can be recognized under Article 1 of the Constitution, there is no reason for us to go to the election.
In the last election, if Ruto had 3 Chebukatis, now he wants to have 7 Chebukatis. What do you expect? So definitely it would be disastrous. So we have to fight that.
Mwena-ini wao bunge ya Kenya Kwanza maugĩte Azimio ndĩngĩgirĩrĩria gũkinyanĩra kwa mũbango ũyũ.
Hao watu wanataka kuhakikisha it is delayed. Si kitu kingine, wanataka kudelay hii process. Kwa sababu hii mwaka ikipita kama hatujatengeneza IEBC bado tutakuwa kwa constitutional crisis. Kwa sababu we need to do ile kitu inaitwa boundary review. Na boundary review hiyo ndio inaleta maneno mpaka ya kugawa maneno ya budget na maneno ya revenue.
Kũringana na Odinga gũthukĩra mĩaka 2 kamĩtĩ-ini ya PSC nĩ kũigĩte Kenya Kwanza mũhari wa mbere kumana na itemi rĩa PSC rũhonge-inĩ rwa wathani ũguo agĩkwo harĩ na ũcuke. Maya mothe mahanĩkĩte rĩrĩ itigaire o thikũ 8 kuma ngwatanĩro ya Azimio yaheana mũkana wa mĩrũrũngano thirikari yaga kũhingũra server cia IEBC mateta-inĩ ma gĩthurano kĩa mwaka mũthiru. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.